Hey friends, if you wish to fix exception access violation error in your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the program as an administrator. So let's say that share X is the program. Simply click on run as administrator in the right pane to launch it if it works. If not, reinstall the program. So let's say that the program was share X. Don't think twice, just uninstall it. Search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar. Check if we have that program on the Microsoft Store. I mean, this is the first preference over the website. Go to that program and install it. The last solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.